Yeah, that's the way you have to farm his shit because you know he's someone that
Lightning
doesn't stay.
strikes twice.
That's 2 Kirines.
Yeah, this one has a dot, dot, dot. That means somebody spoke to somebody for this, but I don't know who. Alright, let's do that.
Wait, let me eat.
Yeah, I gotta eat too.
Then fucking eat, bro. It's 12 o'clock.
What, you meant real life?
Yeah, I meant real life.
Fucking Monster Hunter. Yeah.
Let me eat.
Black belt.
Yeah, I gotta eat too, bro. Then eat. It's fucking 12 o'clock. Oh, you meant. Knight would have thought that was funny. I'm gonna report it for him.